In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in LibreOffice Writer. Let's begin by opening LibreOffice Writer on your computer so you have your document ready. With the document on screen, move your attention to the top of the window and click the Insert menu. This is where Writer keeps tools for adding elements like images, headers, footers, and of course, page numbers. From the Insert menu, choose Page Number. When you select this, a small menu or wizard will appear to guide you through placing the numbers exactly where you want them. This keeps the process quick and avoids manual formatting. First, choose the position. You can place the numbers at the top of each page in the header or at the bottom in the footer. If you're not sure which to pick, a footer is a common choice for reports and essays because it keeps the numbering unobtrusive. If your document doesn't already have a header or footer, Writer will create one for you automatically when you make this selection, so you don't need to set that up in advance. Next, pick the alignment. You can align the page number to the left, center, or right. Right alignment is traditional in many documents, while centered gives a balanced look. There's also a mirrored option. Mirrored alignment is designed for double-sided printing, such as in books or bound reports. With mirrored alignment, the page number appears on the outer edge of each page, so it alternates sides to match left and right pages, improving readability and keeping margins clean for binding. Once you've chosen the position and alignment that fits your document, click OK to apply the changes. Writer will instantly add the page number field to every page, keeping the numbering consistent as your document grows. If you add or remove pages later, the numbers will update automatically, so you won't have to revisit this step. A quick tip as you review your pages: scroll through a few to make sure the placement and alignment look good across different sections. If you used mirrored alignment and plan to print double-sided, consider viewing your document in a two-page layout to see how the numbers alternate. You can also adjust the appearance of the numbers, such as font or size, by editing the header or footer area like normal text while keeping the automatic numbering intact. That's it. You've added page numbers in LibreOffice Writer using the Insert menu, chosen a position and alignment that matches your needs, and confirmed everything with a simple click of OK.